Multi-threading with GUI. All Swing applications have a single thread. Means all the single applications have a single thread in a multi-threading with the GUI. Even it is called as a dispatch thread. It can handle the interactions with the application. Means it can handle the interactions during the application process with the GUI components. All tasks that require interaction with an application GUI are placed in an event queue and are executed sequentially by the event dispatch thread. Swing GUI components are not thread safe. Thread safety is GUI application is achieved by ensuring that Swing components are accessed from only a single thread, the event dispatch thread. It is also called a thread confinement. Java SE6 provides the class Swing Worker in a package Java X.Swing. It is to perform a long-running computation in a worker thread and to update Swing components from the event dispatch thread based on computation results. It implements the runnable interference, meaning that the Swing Worker object can be executed to execute in a separate thread. From the textbook, we have also learned that the do in background defines a computation that is called as a work thread, and the done method is known to execute a dispatch thread when it is doing background returns, and the execute method is to schedule the Swing Worker object to be executed in a worker thread, and the get method means wait for the computation to complete, then returns the result of the computation. Publish. It sends intermediate results from doing background method to the process method for processing on the event dispatch thread. Process. It receives intermediate results from the publish method and processes these results on the event dispatch thread. Set progress. Sets the progress property to notify any property changes listeners on the event dispatch thread or the process updates. And these are the performing computations in a worker thread. Class background calculator, Swing Worker, method doing background, and method done. These are given in the above following example. We have used final entity for the Fibonacci number to the calculate, and JLabel result LLabel is to display the result of the JLabel, and the background and the public background calculator and the number is also given to end the background calculator constructor, and public long doing background is to create a long running code to run in a working thread, and return nth fib means ending the method of doing background means Fibonacci process. With this process we should end this process in the do in background, and void done means code to be run at event dispatch thread. Means the code can be done even when the dispatch thread doing under the do background in returns. Return JLabel1 is to get the result on doing background and it displays it. The catch function is given to end the catch, and by using this we can also end the method. We have given long Fibonacci to recursive method to calculate the nth Fibonacci number, and if we had used the if else condition for the public long Fibonacci number to find it, and the method has been stopped.